The Milford Sound, one of New Zealand's most popular sites, is located just a few hours away from Queenstown on the South Island, New Zealand. After seeing tours of photos online and hearing all of the hype about Milford Sound, it made the top of our list of things to visit during a New Zealand tour. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. And those who have just joined, please like and sub. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I hope this video will be success in the future day, and I hope also the pandemic right now will be in soon, and 2021 will be the best future, the best lifestyle, inshallah. And I hope everything will come back to normal. And everyone, please stay safe, stay healthy, and beware from the virus. We can do this. Thank you very much, and I hope you appreciate my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe my video as well, and enjoy it. Thank you very much.
What the hell he talking about?